5:15, the standoff between the Trump administration and the federal courts over immigration policy intensifies, with a federal judge finding probable cause to hold the administration in criminal contempt of court over some mass deportation flights to El Salvador. NBC's Alice Barr reports.
The clash between the Trump administration and the federal courts reaching a new level, with one federal judge saying he'll start criminal contempt proceedings against the administration for willfully disregarding his order to halt last month's deportation flights to an El Salvador mega prison unless the migrants are given hearings to challenge the allegations against them. Judge James Boasberg writing, the Constitution does not tolerate willful disobedience of judicial orders. The White House appealing overnight, while providing new information about one of the deported men, Kilmar Abrego Garcia, who Justice Department officials admitted was sent to El Salvador through an administrative error. The Supreme Court ruled the administration must facilitate his return, though the administration argues El Salvador would need to initiate his release.
All that would happen is one more step in paperwork and he would go right back to El Salvador because he is an MS-13 member.
The Justice Department released a 2019 document showing Maryland police linked Abrego Garcia to the violent MS-13 gang through what they called a reliable informant. His attorneys have called that testimony questionable, denying any gang affiliation. Abrego Garcia has never been criminally charged. He's been living with his family in Maryland, and one of the state's Democratic senators traveled to El Salvador yesterday and said he asked the country's vice president why he has not been released.
And his answer was that the Trump administration is paying El Salvador, the government of El Salvador, to keep him at CCOP.
Senator Van Hollen among those calling for a day in court. Another federal judge signaled she's also weighing holding the administration in contempt for ignoring court orders to return Abrego Garcia and gave the government 2 weeks to show what steps it's taking. The Trump administration is appealing that judge's order, even though the Supreme Court already ruled to facilitate his release.